and welcome back to Learn English Fast. My next recipe is one of my favorite recipes. Egg salad sandwiches are very popular and common, but have you ever tried it with avocado instead of mayonnaise? It's a lot healthier. Let me show you this recipe. It's so easy and so healthy, okay? So I already boiled my eggs. Now, before we get started, I wanted to show you a trick. In order to know if your egg is hard-boiled or not, all you have to do is spin it. If it spins quickly, that means it's cooked. Now, this little guy is not cooked, and you'll see that he doesn't spin like the hard-boiled egg. So that's an easy way to figure out if your egg is hard-boiled or not. That could happen actually when you cook a large batch and put it in the fridge. I know for me, sometimes I accidentally put the cooked egg with the raw eggs, which is actually what I did right now. My smile guy was on my plate, and it's a good thing I didn't try to crack and peel him, or I would make a big mess on this kitchen counter. So let me take him away. And I think this egg is hard-boiled. Yes, it is. Let's get started. So I have an avocado. I have 2 slices of bread for the sandwich. I will add sea salt as well. I will add olive oil as well because this will help spread the avocado, okay? So we're actually going to just follow this recipe again, and it's in my book, Egg Recipes in the Past Tense, okay? So I am going to peel this egg. And then I'm going to use this to basically cut the eggs in tiny pieces. Now, I want to do that to make it easier to mash. Okay, so I am going to peel the egg. Give me one moment. I need a garbage plate. Okay, now the second egg.